Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here tap on the connection and sharing. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that the NFC switcher. Just to activate it, you should click here once on the switcher, and just to turn it off you should click on the switcher again. Here we can also do it by the second way. Just first you should open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you will find the NFC icon. In my case that's the last one. You can have it somewhere here maybe. And just to turn off NFC here, click on this icon. To turn it on, click on the icon again. And if you wanna launch the NFC settings, just hold for a while this icon, and you'll here find and see that the NFC switcher, the secure element position, and contactless payment. You can switch it if you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.